Hello everyone. My name is Kim.
Hello everyone, my name is Stuart.
And we're in class 3.1 and today we're gonna present a presentation about a volcano. So first is the anatomy of a volcano. First is the magma chamber. This is where the magma is usually all stored. Then is the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is the surface that we're actually standing on right now. The magma is the thing that is about to become lava. The old layers of lava is the layer that has lava from previous shenanigans, and lava flow is just lava flowing out. The vent is where the lava will mostly come out. The ash cloud is usually seen after an explosion.
A volcano is usually made out of rocks and sometimes even grass. When a volcano erupts, a lot of lava gets out of the volcano, then onto the floor. After a volcano erupted, the lava that has been shooted out of the volcano can take more than a year to dry up.
Where volcanoes are found. Usually, volcanoes are found near the edges of the Australian, Eurasian, Pacific, North and South American plates. This is what a real volcano looks like, and that we printed out. And this is the volcano. We have three that are naturally made by clay and cardboard. You will see later.
The materials we used to make the model is clay, cardboard, wires, foil, paint, and A4 paper. The purpose is to find out how volcanoes work and the history of a volcano and the location of volcanoes in the world. The vocabulary is volcano, erupt, history, lava, magma, fire, tectonic plates, and molten.
I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you for watching us.